what is the best entity to run my business as?
Oh, I love that question. It is a more complicated one than just the general answer to what's the best, because there's not a one size fits all for anyone. But a lot of people don't realize we have a single member LLC, and that's basically an LLC with one owner. By default, the IRS taxes that entity on your individual tax return. So in that situation, you're running a business, but you're still being taxed as an individual. That income will flow through to your 1040 tax return. And when it does that, you incur self-employment tax, which is the last thing you want to do. That's like an extra 15% tax on your net income. I would say that's definitely not the best entity. One that gets a lot of questions onto, is this best or when does it make sense is the S corporation. And without getting too in the weeds with that, an S corporation isn't an actual state entity. It's more of a tax vehicle with the IRS. It makes the most sense to elect to be taxed as an S corporation when your net revenue is over $30,000. For that, the benefit there is you're going to save a ton on self-employment tax. It's not going to go away completely, but you're going to save a good amount of money there. The requirement, there's several of them, but the most important ones, there's two of them. The owners need to put themselves on payroll, and then we actually file two separate tax returns. So we file a business tax return, we file an individual tax return then.